Hello friends, welcome to the HTML tutorials. This is the 7th lecture we are creating for you. I hope you are enjoying the videos. In this lecture, we will be discuss how to implement the table tag into the HTML. If you are a beginner, you can start from the beginning. For that, we had shared a link below into the description section. So let's start for the table tag. Just open a notepad file. Write down the code of HTML. So opening of HTML, closing, body tag, closing of body, table tag, and closing of the table tag. So table tag is used for proper alignment of the components. Here we can use the 4 major parts of the table tag. So first one is the caption, t-head, t-body part, and last one is the t-footer. So we start from the caption. Caption is used for main heading of the table. So in my case, I just given the heading players record. So this is the main heading. So save this so that we will be see what is the result of this file. So save anywhere. In my case, I am just going to save on desktop. Give any name. In my case, I am just giving the name Manish, and .html is the extension. By default, it will take the txt format, but we are creating the HTML document, so save it to the all files and just click on the save. So let's check the resulted file. So open my file, open it to any browser. So just open it to the Google Chrome. Let it be open. So it will take little time. So it's showing the record, player record, which is the main heading, but it's showing the record not properly. So for implementing this, you have to adjust the height width of the table. So I just giving the height of 500 and width of 500 and height of 300. Save this and refresh the page. So it's showing the record, player record, which is the main heading. If you want to make it large, you can mix the text like H1 key, you can mix here. Save this. So H1 is used for heading. So it's showing the player record. If it's so big, you can adjust the second heading H2 here. So it's showing the player record. This is the main heading of our table. Then after, t-head is used for the subheading. So if you want to create a row into the t-head, tr can be used. Because of we are implementing the table's heading, so you can use the th here instead of the td. So mention the first subheading, which is the which is the name, and the second the designation. Save this and refresh. So it's showing the result, which are the headings or the subheadings, name and the designation. Then after, t-body is used for the body part of the table. So if you have to create a row, you can use the tr here, and td is used for the first data of the row. So mention Sachin. You can mention the all-rounder because he can bat and ball both. Let's save it and just refresh. So it's showing the first TD and the second TD in one row, but the result is something unpredictable. So how to adjust these entries? So firstly mention the border so that you will be understand in which section the which result comes. So let's save it and refresh the page. See, it is showing the result in the proper manner, but we have to make it align. So we will be make it align in later section. Suppose you have to create one more row, so for that you can use the tr here. Mention Brian Lara. We can say it's all-rounder also. So save and refresh. So see, it's showing the result properly, but what I want, both are all-rounder. Why not in one text? It will work for both because these are all-rounder. So what I have to do? I have to delete one all-rounder from here, and I want that the first all-rounder will be showing in the both row. Meaning is that I have to make it to the two row. So for doing this we require the row span. How many row? 2 rows I want. So let's refresh. See, it's showing the result into the between of that, and the empty TD is shifted here. So what I have to do for that? I can delete this one. Save. Oh, sorry for the mistake, and again refresh this. Because of HTML is not strictly typed, meaning is that it will adjust according to your errors. It will not showing the errors, but it will make your design something different or unexpected. So try to not doing these kinds of the mistake as of I do. It will be adjust, but sometimes it will not be adjustable. In the last section, T footer part we have to mention. So T footer is for the last one. So if you have to create a row, tr can be used. And in this I want to show best of luck TD, or we can say best luck for World Cup. And make the second TD empty. Save this and refresh the page. See, it's showing the result best of luck, but I want to show this best of luck in between of these columns. So this is the first column and this is the second column. So what I have to do? I have to do the call span. On how much columns you want? On 2 columns. Save and refresh. See, it's showing, or it's had broken this partition and it's shifted to here. So if you have to delete this partition, you can delete the TD. Save and refresh. But the thing is that we have to make it to the in between of that, or I have to align this into the center. So for aligning, make align property, and alignment is the center. It's showing the result into the center. Same things I want to do for the Brian Lara. So mention align here again. Yes, it's worked. And I want to make the all-rounder also for aligning into the center. Same things you have to do, center, align, and save and refresh. And the last one, I have to make the Sachin to be aligned into the center. So align into the center. So see, for one change, one thing, I have to write down align 3 to 4 times. So that is the use of the CSS. Make the changes on single place and it will be makes changes to the different places. That is the use of the CSS. We will be discuss after finishing of the HTML about the CSS. If we have to make this table align to the center, we can also mention the property of the table. So write down the align, center, and save. So it's showing the result aligned properly into the center. More things we can do. We can also make the cell paddings, cell spacing. So how much space you want in between of the cells, you can mention. Write down cell spacing, make it to the 10, and just refresh. See, space between the cells increases. One more thing, suppose I want to do the padding, meaning is the gap between the cells and the text. So I also use the cell padding. So make it 10, save this and refresh. See, it's showing the space between the text and the cells. So this is how we can make the table properly aligned, or you can also give the color to the table. So BG color is used for the color. Make orange color for background. Save this. If you have to make the background color of the body, you can also do this. So BG color, any color you want, so yellow in my case. Save and refresh. So this is how we can implement the table tag into the HTML. I hope you are enjoying the video on the table tag. So if you want to keep update from our side, you can click on the bell icon on the notification, so you will get the updated record or updated results from our side. So thank you very much. Keep smiling.